Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're actually kind of right in between two fib levels right now. We also went beyond the 100% Fibonacci extension. Now, I've been saying that this is likely a regular flat, and if it is a regular flat, this area that we're in could possibly be an area of reversal, but we cannot assume that that is what it is. It could go down to the 161, 178, which is all the way down here if it wants to be an expanding flat. And I also see the possibility that the weekly time frame may have topped out and this may really be a wave C, and we may actually be in a brand new downtrend, forming a big trend that would last months like over here, except for a downtrend. So either way, we had definitely don't have a break to the upside, no engulfing up, no higher low, definitely no reason yet to say this downtrend is over. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, my most recent structure on the 1 hour is right here. If price goes all the way up here and breaks this, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs. Otherwise, anything I see in between here and here, I would assume is just a pullback within a downtrend. I would hope that it would go up, because if it does go up, then that possibly could give us an opportunity, maybe something like this, to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. For me personally, I definitely wouldn't recommend going long. I would definitely be looking for shorts. The best bet right now is to be patient, wait for a pullback, and then go short at the end of a pullback and at the end of a Fibonacci bounce for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.